I mean, the one who pays the bill is always right, isn't it, guys? Only if slapping was allowed or beating was legal, this would be the first time in life she would get to one. I grew her for 20 years. I've been watering her every day. I need a Nobel Prize.
Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of our Dawa Dialogues. I think what better way to start this episode rather than Navroz. So Navroz Mubarak to all.
Hi, Navroz Mubarak to everybody. Yes, please welcome to Dawa's Dialogues. It's about one family, a mother and a daughter, two different generations, two different thought processes, crazy fun, crazy gossip, and absolute fun together.
Definitely.
I hope everybody gets a lot of happiness, a lot of wealth, a lot of health actually, and thinner waistlines actually.
Hey, that's a little too stereotypical. What do you mean by thinner waists?
I mean, this generation doesn't really believe in being fit. It's just about gap, eating the junk, isn't it?
Anyway, I hope this year or this time at least she becomes a little more mature and like a mother instead of being childless always.
I mean, I grew her for 20 years. I've been watering her every day. I need a Nobel Prize.
What do you mean by watering me every day? Anyway, this is the only sort of emotional drama that she always does. I hope she grows up someday. So anyway, coming back to the podcast, we are actually here to show some love, have some fun and probably embarrass ourselves as always. We're actually two generations or two periods as you want to call it, trying to show the world that, we can come to one point and clash. Two different mindsets, two different perspectives, and 20 years of me tolerating this.
This means mom. Yeah? I don't remember when was the last time she called me mom. Anyways, so basically this podcast is all about bridging the gaps, showing the love between a mother and a daughter. It can be beautiful as a friendship and as understanding each other, me understanding their generation, they understanding our generation. This is where we try to come and meet. This is where we try to show the audience that yes, there is a huge thought process which we are trying to build in and trying to fight through, but it can be together as always.
It still holds lectures, She'll keep lecturing me even in this. You'll see that.
Only if slapping was allowed or beating was legal, this would be the first time in life she would get to one.
Okay, now that you've survived our introduction till here, there's no really formal topics today. We're just here for fun, chaos, some roasting, and my mom's so-called wisdom.
Showing off the wisdom? I mean, seriously? Am I not the one who's always right? I mean, the one who pays the bill is always right, isn't it, guys?
She thinks she's always right, which is so not true. Anyway, consider this a warm-up. We'll come with actual topics, more fun, more chaos, and probably some lecture, which is anyway gonna be there.
The only small message that I want to share with all my audience, a heartfelt note that we as humans, it's very important for us to give back to societies. We as Parsis, we've been taught that everything that you earn and everything that you have in life has to be shared, has to be given. And it is important that we keep doing that every single day. What is it that we're going to take back anyways?
It's true, she gives her 50% of her earning every month to the needy, may it be animals or may it be humans.
I think it's very important for all of us to do that as well. The most little helps. So please, on this Navroz, I would like my audience to make sure that you start giving a little bit of your little to the needies.
I think that is why I want her as my mother every time. Guys, before we wrap up, I want to make you meet someone very special. He's fabulous, he's crazy, he's sexy. It's my brother Marzi.
Hi guys, it's Mozi, bringing style and sexiness to this podcast.
Alright, you see, it's not just me and my mom, nor our just chaos. Now Marzu comes in with his glam, his sass, and sparkle too.
Don't forget the discipline both of you.
Oh my god, Masi. Not again.
That is so typical. Oh my god, Masi. He got so fed up of me. Oh my god, Masi. So guys, it's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for Marzi and his debut. We hope to see you in the second episode. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, to show some love and follow us.
Sorry guys, that's the Gen Z, is that what they call? So in the normal manner, thank you for watching us. That's my family, that's the Dawars. Thank you for watching Dawars Dialogues. Next time we're going to definitely come with better wisdom, more fun, more craze, and yes, some beauty tips.
Stay fat, stay fearless, and keep sparkling.
3, 2, 1, start.
The only little message that I want to give all my audience today.
A few moments later.
You were telling my line. What will I speak?
Sorry.
2 hours later.
Which is so not true. Anyway, consider this a warm-up. The excitement, please. Hello, darlings. See, I can do so many accents.
Hello, darlings.
Say Dave now.
Shiksha? Okay,
Just
thank
pause
you.
it. Hello, darlings. It's Mercy. Sprinkling. Oh God. It's no.
No, he's done.
Stay fabulous. Stay fearless. And don't forget that. Wait.
Mummy,
This
Mama,
ostrich face is so
after
funny.
me,
Emmanuel, do not do it. Emmanuel, don't do it.
Stay fat, stay fearless, and keep sparkling.
Oh my god.